Hi sis.
Hi!
Hello.
Welcome to Hi Sis. I'm Havana.
And I'm Isabel. Today we will be making crazy slimy creations.
If you didn't watch this and click the wrong button.
I will be making glow in the dark slime.
And I'll be making foamy slime.
Let's get started.
Let's speed things up.
Are the instructions in there?
Yes.
Okay.
Cinder. That was
And then the
like
spoons there. The blender. Oh, look at her.
She's happy.
Yeah, she's happy.
She's not in isolation. Measure 15 millilitres of white glue.
Okay.
How much is 15?
Let's take a guess.
Yes. Where's the measuring cup?
Where's the measure? There! Oh! Ah, Savinia, como idiota. Okay.
Just leave it like that.
Finger with glue on it. Finger with glue on it. Finger. Finger. Guess which one is the glow in the dark one?
Obviously it's the green ones.
If you said that like Havana, then you're obviously wrong.
I'm never wrong.
It's actually the white one. It glows. Ha 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 ha. So is yours fully purple yet?
Nearly.
Because next we need to add
Activator, I think.
5 mils. I don't think it really matters if it's got glue in there and stuff.
Well, can you just tell me when to stop again?
Yeah. I'll see if 5 mils is on here. Okay. There we go. I think it's about there.
Okay, tell me when to stop.
You don't need much. Say about stop. Because 10 was there, so I have to do.
Do you want me to pour again?
Yes, please.
Because I'm terrible at measurements.
Stop. Thank you.
Okay, I think we mix. Mine's already got so gloopy.
Yeah.
Isabel's got glow in the dark.
I had to use 1 spoonful of the glow in the dark stuff. That is so satisfying. Okay, just try doing this. If it doesn't work, then you might have to add some more slime activator or something.
It says use about half the bag.
Okay, why don't you just mix that in and see if it works?
Yep. So I think this should make it less sticky. I've just got paint on myself.
Oh, feels good.
Oopsies.
Right, I'm going to try and put this in my hand, but I don't think it will work.
Do you want me to pour some activator
No, it
in?
doesn't.
Do you want me to pour some activator into it?
Yes, please. That will be necessary. Yeah.
because I was the pouring.
I'll put this on your head if you're not careful.
No! Mine worked well though.
Gloppy, 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 gloppy.
I think that's the first argument we had.
We've had one before.
Have we?
Our first one was when we went camping last year. This is probably our second one.
What did we argue about?
Can't remember. I think about where we're going to sleep in the bed. Oh, in the tent.
No, I don't think. I think we agreed quite easily.
Oh yeah, we did. I normally sleep near the side.
Yeah, and I like sleeping near the middle because it's warmer. And you know me, I feel like everything's either 50 degrees or minus 50 degrees.
What's it like in here?
Normal. No temperature.
So no temperature.
No temperature recorded. Here are the slimes.
We love the way it turned out.
We would definitely recommend it. Mine's all foamy and sticky.
And mine's all glowy in the darky.
Not proper English.
Or the word ew. Look at this slime. It's all stretchy and gooey and glowy in the darky.
Thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
Also subscribe to Better Gaming and Stories.
I like oysters.
And I like cheese.
Goodbye.
Stay home.
Save lives. I got the tutu stuck on it. Wait, is this getting filmed?
I know.
Guys, can you help get
It's
this off?
Oh, well.
Good. Yeah. It's glowy in the darky. Glowy in the darky. Glowy in the darky.
You know he's recording.
Is he recording? Are you recording? Glowy in the darky.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Shouldn't have done that.
Should I get my water?